Scan now. Meet Sovi, your new AI study buddy. Comparative advantage questions are actually super simple if you know the secret definition. Let's break down this trade problem and find the right answer fast. Comparative advantage is defined as the ability to produce a good at a lower opportunity cost than another producer. It is all about what you give up to make something. Since France has a comparative advantage in grapes, they must give up fewer olives to grow them. This means their opportunity cost for grapes is lower than it is for Italy. Absolute advantage only measures total productivity, so it does not tell us about the cost ratios. That makes option D our final winner. Well done! Scan the code. You can learn better with Sovi. Avoid the rush and trust the given definitions to solve these problems.